Rudy here from Take a Bath Productions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a variable dead key mod on a Cobra 29. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did a variable dead key mod on this Cobra 29. The mod was done some time ago, but I've taken the radio back apart again so that I can show you exactly what I did and how I did it. If you're new to my channel, I like to do how-to videos on lawnmowers and amateur radio, electronics, vehicles, household projects, stuff like that. Okay, so let's dive right in. Okay, so as you can see, I've added a couple components here that you're going to need. This transistor is a TIP3055. I believe there's some other part numbers that will work. It's an NPN, but that's what I used. This is also a 100 microfarad 25 volt electrolytic capacitor, and those are the two components that you definitely will need. So let's start from the back. This junction is JP36. It's right next to the final. And I've clipped that junction, and I've added these two wires. Okay, keep in mind this is the back of the radio on this black wire. Hook the black wire to the right leg of the transistor. Okay, use the wire that's towards the front of the radio. This yellow wire, in my case, is going to the middle leg of the transistor. I don't know, did I mention when you drill this hole here, you've got to use an insulating washer behind the transistor. The screw is insulated, so this has got to be insulated from this heatsink. Okay, so we got the yellow wire going to the middle. Now, this black wire that's on the right leg is going to the, see the black stripe, it's going to the negative leg on the capacitor, and the positive leg is going to the middle wire. Okay, so these two legs have two wires each on them. Now I've got this heat shrinked up. I've heat shrinked the legs just to make. I had it wire tied over here, just to make sure that if that thing starts flopping around, it's not going to short out and ruin the radio. Okay, so that's those two legs. This left leg, this black wire here, I've got it wire tied up, and I'm using the SWR cal knob as the variable. The SWR cal will still work because all you have to do is vary the power to make the meter go over to the cal mark. So it still works, even though I've changed the function of it. Okay, so the left leg is coming over here, and I've soldered it to the middle leg of this transistor. Now keep in mind, this green and white wire that was originally on the potentiometer, I've taken off. There's a black wire that was on the bottom from the factory. Leave that on there, okay? Only take off the green and the white wires, solder them together, and I've got them heat shrinked up so they can't do any harm. Alright, so got the left leg going to the center pin on the resistor. This yellow wire, I've got it in the top position here, is coming over to the power switch. There's an orange wire on the power switch, and that supplies your 13.8 volts or whatever the voltage is, 12 volts, to the power switch, the orange wire. Okay? I'm using a yellow wire. The color doesn't matter. And it's going to the top right there. That's it. I'll scan in the schematic and post that too, so you can freeze on that and take a look at it, but there's really not much to the variable dead key mod. Okay, I appreciate you watching my video. If you like the video, click on the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I come out with videos like this from time to time. Thanks for watching.